Yeah, I am over at my mom's visiting her. This is in Southwest Ohio, and there was one right there, but you could see them out on the ice. And a maintenance guy said that it might be bird flu that's going around. You could see a goose right there, one out there, another one right about, let's see, there. Then there's another one on ice way over there, and there's actually one down there too. But there was one right there on the sidewalk, and they're definitely not alive. I don't know what's going on. But apparently the maintenance guy said to expect about 50% of them to survive.